long, long ago, in the land of Italy, there was a Persian ruler whose grail, whose tomb is still is a mystery. People are still searching for that. Few say he was drowned. Few say he is immortal. But there is a mystery behind it. There is a secret story. The fact is, he is still alive. Somewhere at the beaches of Goa. Somewhere where these people are rowing the boats. Somewhere between these shacks. Here comes the ruler of Persia, Pervez Italia. Oh my God, he's alive. The zombie, he is in quench of your blood. He's coming to you. He's coming to you.